Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I use the quinoa I cooked in my last video to make a crunchy and delicious salad using shrimp and other ingredients. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. To see how I put this all together, keep on watching. Here I have some fresh shrimp along with the other ingredients I will be using today. I will be using everything here except for the peanut butter. I will leave a full detailed list of everything I'm using down below in the description bar, along with a link to the video showing how I cook the quinoa. First, I'm going to start by making the dressing using soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, fresh ginger, honey, and cilantro. A full detailed list of the amount I'm using will be down below in the description bar. In a saucepan, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil, followed by my sweet peppers and garlic. I'm going to be sauteing that just until tender. Next, I'll be adding the shrimp. Cook approximately 4 minutes on each side until your shrimp is cooked through. Once your shrimp has been cooked, remove from heat and set aside. Now it's time to put the salad together. Add your shrimp to your quinoa and mix well until everything is nicely combined. Next, I'm going to be adding all the other ingredients: my purple cabbage, carrots, edamame beans, cashews, cilantro, and my dressing. Toss that really well until everything is fully combined. And there you have it, guys. One of the many ways you can use quinoa to make a salad that's colorful, healthy, and delicious. If you like this video, please do leave it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so you will not miss out on my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time. Bye, guys.